Hello everyone, and welcome to another one of our videos just for you. Allow me to begin with a simple question. Are you trying to learn a new language, Spanish for example, but you feel frustrated by trying to remember new words? Don't worry, you will find the help you need in this video, from which you can benefit by learning a new language quickly and easily. As we know, communicating in Spanish in many cases is necessary in today's world. Whether it be to get a job or communicate with a different company in Latin America, or just to spend a great vacation in the Caribbean or South America, like Colombia, where I'm living right now. Today, I am going to address the topic of how to assimilate hundreds or even thousands of new words, in this case Spanish, fast and easily, without tedious memorization. So let's get down to business. The method I'm about to show you is simple, proven by many students, and all it requires is only a few minutes per day with constancy and perseverance. First, you get yourself a thick notebook with many pages and divide each page into 3 columns. In the first column, you write the new Spanish words. In the second column, the pronunciation, the way you hear them, and in the third column, the words' meanings in your native language. After you accumulate 10 new words or more, begin the process of assimilating them into your mind, hence memory, as follows. First, choose a quiet place and turn off your mobile phone or cellular so you are not distracted by anything, and start with the first 10 words by repeating them in a loud voice, like this. Madre, mother. Padre, father. Manzana, apple. Libro, book. Casa, house, etc. After pronouncing the 10th word, go back to the first one and repeat all 10 words again. Do these repetitions 15 times in a row. It is important to do these sets of repetitions 3 times a day. The first 15 repetitions should be done as soon as possible after you wake up, while your mind is still fresh and receptive. The second time, do it at midday, before lunch, and the third time in the evening, just before you go to sleep, so that the new words also seep into your subconscious minds. After a few days, perhaps a week or 2, you will start noticing that you are getting tired of repeating some words. This is an indication that those words have already been embedded in your memory, and in that case, replace the tiring words with new ones. But always keep the words for repetition in a group of 10. Now, this is not to say that this method of effective memorization is the only one. There are others, such as a peg method, mnemonics, and storytelling. However, I find this technique that I have just explained as the easiest and most practical. Nevertheless, you are welcome to peruse other techniques shown in this video, and then you decide which one suits you the best. In addition, I also recommend you to see this video that will make you realize that you already know thousands of Spanish words. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please don't hesitate to write any comments or questions you may have below this video. To see many other videos that will inform you about new events as well as teach you about various topics, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on like.